All right, you guys. So there were some images that came across the internet here today, and I wanted to share those with you. So we're going to start off here with the Praetorian Guard. These are going to be Snoke's guards here, very similar to the Imperial Guards that took care of the Emperor. And then, of course, here we have our Kylo Ren unmasked and his new costume, all black. Looks like a leathery type cape there. And then, of course, there is his new scar as well. Very, very nice. And then we get a look at Rey's new outfit, darker colors with the gray and black there. Very, very awesome as well. And then, of course, right here, we get a look at Luke and his new outfit. Of course, this is the same outfit that we saw in the trailer that was shown at Star Wars Celebration. Very, very nice. Notice that all of the characters are draped in very dark colors. For the exception of this particular character, which we have as Snoke in the flesh, baby. So here is a look at Snoke in the flesh in his gold robe, the only bright color outfit in the lot here. So guys, I want to know what your thoughts are. Do you like these costumes? What do you think of Kylo Ren, Rey? We even got a photograph of Phasma as well. I want to get your thoughts on these new costume designs. Put those comments down below. I want to thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and may the Force be with you always.